Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Master Part 20. Let's go straight away to our quiz. Stomata allow for plants to take in carbon dioxide, release dash and dash. Oxygen and water. Dash plants, i.e. soybeans and sunflower, use the Calvin cycle to fix carbon. C3. Dash plants minimize the cost of photorespiration by incorporating carbon dioxide into 4 carbon compounds. C4. Some plants, including succulents, use dash to fix carbon. Crassulacean acid metabolism, or CAM. Dash plants open their stomata at night, incorporating carbon dioxide into organic acids. Crassulacean acid metabolism, or CAM. Control center of the cell containing DNA and the nucleolus. Nucleus. Cell organelle that aids in cell division in animal cells only. Centriole. The genetic material that contains instructions for traits and characteristics, stroke like a blueprint. Chromatin, or DNA. Makes ribosomes. Nucleolus. Cell organelle filled with enzymes needed to break down food particles, worn out cell parts, or invading viruses or bacteria. lysosome. A system of membranes that modifies and packages proteins for export by the cell. Golgi apparatus. Homologous chromosomes are aligned in the middle of the spindle in metaphase 1. An endomembrane system covered with ribosomes that make proteins to be transported. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. An endomembrane system lacking ribosomes where lipids are synthesized, calcium levels are regulated, and toxic substances are broken down. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. A reaction that is the oxidation of glucose and the capture of energy in a form that is useful to the cell. Cellular respiration. Glucose molecule plus 6 molecules of oxygen gives 6 molecules of carbon dioxide plus 6 molecules of water plus energy in bracket ATP. Cellular respiration. What is the word formula for cellular respiration? Glucose plus oxygen giving carbon dioxide plus water plus ATP. Intermediates are drawn off from the pathway of respiration to serve as dash in biosynthetic reactions. Glycolysis. The first stage of cellular respiration, which takes place in the cytosol. Glycolysis. a part of cellular respiration in which glucose is oxidized. It needs the cell 2 ATP and 2 NADH. Glycolysis. The resulting 2-carbon acetyl fragment from the decarboxylated pyruvate is attached to coenzyme A. A molecule that carries acetyl groups from one set of reaction to another. Coenzyme A. Dear friends, thank you for trying out Biology Monster Part 20. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.